Tracking mileage for free is important for several reasons. First, it can help you save money on taxes. If you use your car for business purposes, you can deduct the mileage you drive from your taxes. This can save you a significant amount of money, especially if you drive a lot for work. Second, tracking mileage can help you budget for car expenses. By knowing how many miles you drive each month, you can estimate how much you will need to spend on gas, maintenance, and repairs. This can help you avoid unexpected expenses and keep your car running smoothly. Third, tracking mileage can help you plan your trips more efficiently. By knowing how far you are driving, you can estimate how long it will take you to get to your destination. This can help you avoid traffic and arrive on time. To manually track mileage using a spreadsheet, you will need to create a new spreadsheet and include the following columns: date, start mileage, end mileage, total mileage, purpose of trip. Each time you drive for business purposes, you will need to record the date, starting mileage, ending mileage, and total mileage in the spreadsheet. You should also include a brief description of the purpose of the trip. At the end of each month, you can add up the total mileage for all of your business trips. This will give you the total mileage that you can deduct from your taxes. Here are some tips for manually tracking mileage using a spreadsheet. Be consistent with your entries. Try to record your mileage every day, even if you only drive a short distance. Keep your receipts. If you have receipts for gas, tolls, or other car expenses, keep them in a safe place. This will help you verify your mileage deductions if you are ever audited by the IRS. Mileage tracking apps offer a number of benefits over manual tracking methods, including accuracy. Mileage tracking apps use GPS technology to track your mileage, which is more accurate than manually recording your mileage. This can help you avoid overstating your mileage deductions and getting into trouble with the IRS. Convenience. Mileage tracking apps are very convenient to use. You simply need to download the app to your phone and start tracking your mileage. The app will automatically track your mileage in the background, and you don't have to do anything else. Time saving. Mileage tracking apps can save you a lot of time. You don't have to manually enter your mileage into a spreadsheet or keep track of receipts. The app will do all of this for you. There are a number of different mileage tracking apps available, so you can choose one that fits your needs and budget. Some popular mileage tracking apps include MileIQ, Everlance, and TripLog. Mileage tracking apps are a great way to track your mileage for free and save money on taxes. If you drive for business purposes, I highly recommend using a mileage tracking app. You can also use Google Maps to track your mileage. To do this, open the Google Maps app on your phone and tap on the menu icon in the top left corner. Then, tap on your timeline. Your timeline will show you a history of all the places you've been, including the routes you've taken. To view the mileage for a specific trip, tap on the trip and then tap on the Details tab. Google Maps will show you the total mileage for the trip, as well as the starting and ending points. You can also export the mileage data to a spreadsheet or PDF file. Here are some tips for using Google Maps to track mileage. Make sure that your location services are turned on. This will allow Google Maps to track your movements. If you want to track the mileage for a specific trip, start tracking your location before you start driving. You can pause and resume tracking at any time. This is useful if you need to make a stop along the way. Google Maps is a great way to track your mileage for free and save money on taxes. It's also very convenient and easy to use. Here are some additional tips for accurately tracking mileage. Keep a logbook. A mileage logbook is a simple notebook where you can record your mileage for each business trip. This is a good way to keep track of your mileage if you don't want to use a mileage tracking app or spreadsheet. Take photos. If you have a smartphone, you can take photos of your odometer at the beginning and end of each business trip. This is a good way to back up your mileage records in case you lose your logbook or spreadsheet. Be consistent. Try to track your mileage every day, even if you only drive a short distance. This will help you avoid forgetting to track a trip and losing out on a tax deduction. Review your records regularly. Once a month, take some time to review your mileage records and make sure that everything is accurate. This will help you catch any errors and make sure that you are claiming all of the deductions that you are entitled to. By following these tips, You can accurately track your mileage and save money on taxes.